Hello guys, welcome again to this live channel, the live stream, sorry. I wasn't expecting to be online today, but because sorry I was busy, I was very busy. But well, I think I can do this, a live stream for maybe just maximum 30 minutes. Because actually Bitcoin is doing something very interesting today. So let me check if I am online first, because I don't know, I need to confirm if I am online. I can see, one moment, let me see if I can see myself here. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, I am online right now. Perfect. Let me see. Okay. Yes, I can see my I'm gonna share this to my Discord. One moment. Okay, so let's start. Let me remove this. Okay, let's start with one day chart. Okay, if you are new in this lives in this channel, well, let me explain this. I am following a system and I have my own style of trading. So right now, a few days ago, I was expecting Bitcoin we saw in my private channel like potentially a bullish divergences, right, in one day chart. Yes, as you can see here. And I was trading from $46,000 here to $48,600 around this area. Okay. Why? Because I was trading 4-hour chart and 12-hour. Now, if there is a trade right now here, if my personal opinion, of course, is not. Why? Because Bitcoin is very close to the ME55 here, as you can see here, right? So always in my technical analysis, always I'm gonna speculate Bitcoin is gonna bounce to what? Keep falling, okay? And the reason for this is because I cannot see the future, right? I don't have superpowers. So I have a system, so I respect my system, okay? So you are thinking to buy here because to the moon, to 60K, to 100K, whatever, good luck with that. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, maybe yes, maybe we can here to the moon and 100K and millionaires, right? Yeah, like many YouTubers, they are saying that kind of things, but not my case. I have a system, I respect my system. So in this area is where people usually they are bullish. Why? Because something is broken, right? Maybe a rectangle, maybe a falling wedge, or whatever. Whatever. Always they like to see these kind of things. For me, as I said before, I don't follow classical technical analysis because for me is, in my experience, at least for cryptocurrencies, I don't know for stocks. For cryptocurrencies, they don't work. So that's why I don't follow patterns in general. Now, as you can see here, Bitcoin, we have this signal here, yeah, around here, 46 and $48,000, 48, 49, around there. I close my long position. And what we are gonna do next? Okay, first of all, I will never buy here, never. Okay, first of all, I will never buy here. You want to buy there? Yeah, I mean, do it, but not me. Why? Because I said I have a system and I am expecting Bitcoin is gonna test around the ME55, and from there I will speculate always a rejection. Yeah, and also the squeeze momentum indicator, as you can see here, for with all this almost 1 month, 3 weeks of consolidation, something like that. With these bullish divergences here, I was expecting to see Bitcoin around $56,000 or $57,000, like here. Like here. The biggest difference between this moment and this moment, weekly chart in this moment was healthy. I mean, was in uptrend. The momentum was good. Here, the weekly chart is not good. Okay, that's why we saw this formation like Bitcoin for many weeks trying to bounce, right? And as you can see here in 1 day chart, it's almost nothing, just $3,000 or maximum 5,000. You are in long position from 45, 46, maybe $4,000. This is nothing in 1 day chart. Just it's like 10%, something like that. When you are bullish in 1 day chart, we are in a macro bull trend or uptrend, sorry. In 1 day chart, you want to see something like this. The biggest difference with this move, please study. This is the moment to study here. Now, a squeeze momentum indicator is above, a little bit above zero, right? But look at this. Here in the previous buy signal here in this area, when Bitcoin was testing the zero line, Bitcoin was breaking, actually was testing actually the previous high here, as you can see around this area. Do you see the difference? And also, the Bitcoin broke very strong the MA55 and MA21 here. As you can see here, this is the momentum because weekly chart was very healthy. Now, here, as you can see, no. Now, I'm not saying Bitcoin is going to zero, of course not. But the only thing I'm telling you right now is from here in this area, if I see Bitcoin in sideways here, and it's not breaking above the MA55, I mean, something like this, very strong, very, very strong. Let me explain. Something like this. Breaking, coming here to MA55, testing here, and here is where we are. I'm going to open my next long position in 1 day chart. In 1 day chart, okay? So here is when, okay, let's try to maybe 56, 57, $60,000, whatever, okay? This is the only way I will trade again in 1 day chart. I'm in a bullish scenario. Now, Bitcoin is in downtrend right now in 1 day chart according to my system. So the trend is my friend. So the trend in 1 day chart is still bearish. So my maximum level from this is around here, this area. I don't know. I cannot tell you exactly the price. 51, 52, 53. I don't know. The only thing I will tell you is if I see the sell signal here, something like this is very bad for the price. You want to see, if you are bullish here in for Bitcoin, you want to see this bullish divergence in 1 day chart for almost 3 weeks. You want to see Bitcoin testing at least $57,000, $60,000, but it's not happening. Actually, here in this area, I was expecting something like that here, in this area, not here. Now, OBB, what is happening right now? Let's study here. The red cloud, you know what does that mean? The long term, okay? So the long term moving average here. So Bitcoin is still below there. You want to see bullish or this move? Well, you need to see first of all breaking the MA55, perfect, okay, and breaking also the OBB breaking above this volume, this moment. The MA100 in OBB. So around here, from here, all this area, well, this is your uptrend, right? All this area. Now, as you can see, OBB is testing. Actually, is a little bit above the zero line here, but it is still very far away from the red cloud. Okay, so that is why I am a little bit conservative. I am not bearish. I mean, just I am telling you right now is in this moment I'm not trading right now. I'm not trading because my trade was from 46 to 48,600 around there, because my system is telling me that's the trade I was looking for. Now, what I'm going to do right now? Okay, well, in my case, the only thing I want to do is enjoy Christmas, and that's it. Watch Netflix. It's the best thing I can do right now. Why? Because I know I'm not going to trade this area from $51,000 to 52. No, thank you. The risk and reward is not something like, no, thank you. Maybe for scalpers they can do it, but not me. So my probabilities to make money here or make some profits here are very low. Why? Because you are not new here and you have some maybe months watching this live stream or my videos, you know I will never buy in the previous high. So this area in macro time frames, I will never buy. I don't care if Bitcoin breaks and goes to the maybe $60,000, whatever. I don't care. Why? Because I'm following my system, okay? And my system is, okay, the trade was here, in this area, this area, this area. I am not chasing the market. That is the point. Now, my second setup is like my first setup I am looking for right now. I'm looking for squeeze momentum indicator telling me Bitcoin is gonna be in sideways here, around here, $50,000, 52, maybe maximum 53, around here. And if I see the sell signal, I will get ready to enter in short. Simple. Now, technically speaking, this could be the next buy opportunity for Bitcoin. The next pullback here, potentially here, and $48,000 around there could be. But because the trend is my friend, I need to see the setup here or buy signal setup here to start thinking that place will hold. Because if Bitcoin comes here and breaks this level again, $47,000 around there, well, get ready for a major correction, because this is gonna be just a continuation or a trend, a downtrend, something like this. This is a downtrend, okay? So this is the potential scenario I am looking for Bitcoin. Of course, as I said, I need to see the price doing that first, okay? So as I said, the pullback should be here. Bitcoin must hold $47,000, $48,000 around this area, same level as usual, okay? So that is my technical analysis for 1-day chart. And now let's talk about the 4-hour. 4-hour chart. Okay, if you watch my previous video in my short video, like 60 seconds, so I said, okay, for 46 to 48,600, okay, this I'm done, okay? The best scenario for Bitcoin is entering sideways, and from there we will see potentially other tests to the upside, right? If Bitcoin breaks this level, $48,000, 47,500 around there, we will see other tests to 47, but the probabilities were to the upside right now. Well, before I actually said. Now, as a trader, I will never buy here. I could play this pullback, yes, but I didn't. Why? Because in my case, I was sleeping, it was not my time, and I didn't have the setup I wanted. Why? Let me show you here. Always when I see this setup here, always I follow my setup. What is telling me this? Well, this is range or falling, right? Range sideways or falling. So because I don't know the future, I cannot predict the future. Let me show you here. Well, we were here before, here, okay? Because I don't know exactly what is gonna happen here, I need to respect my system, right? So my system is telling me, hey, Bitcoin is gonna do this very soon, so I need to close my position here from this area to this area. That's it. If Bitcoin is doing this something sideways and I see the buy signal again, I will buy again. But I need to see it. Okay, that's why I didn't take this position right now. Now what is happening right now? Well, now you know. Now, well, you see, it was a buy signal. Yes, it was a buy signal. Yes, you're right. But how is possible we will know? Of course, we don't have. Maybe in one hour you will see the entry, but I don't trade 1 hour. Here. Now, what is happening right now here? Well, in 4-hour chart, be careful. Why? Because we have a bearish divergences information, as you can see here, in a squeeze, this area, right? So, if you are thinking to buy here, maybe it depends if you are trading maybe weekly chart, time frame, big time frames, and you are holder, perfect. But in here is we are traders, right? So that's why we want to make money right now. So here, of course, for me, there is not a top, and because I see this potential sell signal here in 4-hour, well, I am getting ready for short. Right now, of course not. Why? Because the ADX is still positive. I need to see the bearish divergence forming, confirmation, and also the ADX getting negative, and the squeeze momentum indicator, to be fair, actually is looking healthy. So that means potentially this could be just a pullback to keep going to the upside, maybe. Okay, so the only thing I can say is, well, wait for the setup. In 1-day chart, this is the area I am looking for a major bull trap, actually, if the downtrend actually is still Bitcoin is in downtrend, so in this area. So this is my next setup. Okay, now let's talk about higher time frames. 5-day chart. As you can see here, Bitcoin is defending the MA55 here, and is bouncing here, and the test is around 51,500, around there is where is the MA55 is. So if you want to be very bullish on Bitcoin right now, this is the bottom on Bitcoin from here to 100k. Well, one of the ways how to do it is easy. Bitcoin must break and close above here with a pullback, and after that, yeah, we can start thinking to do it. Yes. The reason why I am not taking a long-term position right now here is simple. Is because OBB is still in negative territory. This is trending, and WB is still in zero. It's almost testing the zero line, and also the squeeze momentum indicator. Maybe other month we will see something like this. If I see something like this in 5-day chart, I don't care the price, around 47, 48, 45, well, I will start changing my bias to the upside. But as I said, I cannot predict the future, so I think I need to see it. Now, the weekly chart, well, as you can see here, as investor, I told you many times, I shared this, many times I will never put my money as investor here. Why? Because the idea is I want to see something like this, something similar here, my budget up here, and also finally the OBB breaking the MA55 around here, something like here, to start thinking to hold Bitcoin in the long term. I'm talking 6 months or 1 year. So I will not do it. Now, one thing I want to show you is we have various divergences in monthly chart. Let's talk about monthly chart. Why? Because, well, in 1 week we have the monthly chart. From now, today, this weekend, and well, before January 1st, Bitcoin, you are extremely bullish, super bullish, you must see Bitcoin around closing above $57,000, $58,000 the monthly, and even better above $60,000. And this is gonna close as reversal. Yes, as a hammer reversal, and we will see higher prices in 2022. Any close like this right now, using just price action without watching the indicators, the next area I'm going to start looking for is $37,000, $36,000, the May 21 in monthly, and the lowest point is around $21,000. Now, one thing is we have various divergences in a squeeze momentum indicator, as you can see here, and we have various divergences in weekly chart in OBB. So if you are new in this channel, well, let me show you something. We have these various divergences in weekly chart, in weekly chart here, and we have here the confirmation, right? So after 3 months, we saw finally the result of these various divergences, and it's still in progress. When I'm going to stop thinking, okay, this is not going to be when we are going to see maybe finally Bitcoin is this is the bottom, because I want to see Bitcoin in sideways for maybe 1 or 2 months maybe, and after that, yes, if I see something like this, yes, of course. But as I said, this is just speculation, and also we have the bi-weekly chart. We have exactly the same setup. We have bi-weekly various divergences from this point and this point, and we have actually Bitcoin entering almost in downtrend in the next month in OBB. And in generally speaking, last time when we saw this, well, what happened here? You see? And this is the accumulation. This was just accumulation. All this area was accumulation based on OBB. As you can see here, you want to see the micro cycles or micro pumps or whatever. Well, you can see weekly chart or monthly chart in OBB, and you will see very easy to identify in weekly chart where you can buy Bitcoin and hold for a long time. For example, here above here in this case is you have blue dots, and it's a consolidation phase. Of course, you know this is gonna break very hard, because in weekly chart we have blue dots, very bullish there, and OBB is trending to the upside even with the prices trend, even is not breaking the MA55. So this is accumulation. This is accumulation. Why? Because OBB is telling you this is accumulation, right? It's not negative, as you can see here. So when you are gonna buy this, when you are conservative, you can buy when it's breaking finally the OBB, as you can see here, and this area OBB is trending to the upside, and the price no. So that means is consolidation. So from here you have your massive bull moves, your moves, but very big moves, as you can see here. In this case, as you can see here, even with the OBB negative, Bitcoin was in a parabolic move, right? But just the only case I saw this is in here, but Bitcoin was very young in this area. Just retailers that were moving the price. Here we have companies, institutions. Bitcoin is losing, volatility, based on my experience. Okay, so when I'm going to buy Bitcoin again in weekly chart, well, I need to see something like this. I need to see something like this in weekly chart, and after that, I will start thinking to buy Bitcoin and holding. So that means in the next moment when I see something like this, around here, well, in 2022, maximum 2023, we will see other opportunity to buy and hold Bitcoin in the long term. And you can buy right now. I am pretty sure even you have to wait maybe wait for 2-3 years, you will recover your money. All the people who bought at $70,000 here, around $70,000, they will recover their money. Why? Because Bitcoin in the long term macro is an uptrend. The question is here is, if we know Bitcoin in monthly chart is an uptrend, the only question we have is when we can buy Bitcoin. When is the best moment? So for me, it's weekly chart. Okay, so on weekly chart for me right now with this setup, no thank you. And now, as I said, monthly chart, any close like this right now, well, it's not healthy for the price. Okay, and also we have the 3-month chart here, and as I said before, I said in another video, any close below $44,000 in the next week, for example, Bitcoin is getting rejected in 1-day chart and is closing below $47,000 and it's closing around 45, 44. This is gonna be a shot in a star. Okay, this formation is a shot in a star, and in the next 3 or 6 months we will see $29,000, even lower prices. I don't think so. No, because the trend is your friend. Actually, if I see something like this, it's a buy, because Bitcoin is in uptrend. Remember, Bitcoin in macro time frames is in uptrend. Yeah, this is uptrend. That's it. All the correction you saw here is just weekly chart bear markets. You can say it, you want to say it, but Bitcoin has never been in a bear market in macro time frames. Never. Always, since you see, okay, just tell me, where is the bear market? Here, I cannot see the bear market here. This is just an uptrend. Okay. Okay, guys, I finished my technical analysis for Bitcoin. Now about altcoins. What is Bark and Tech? I don't know what is that. Sorry, is that altcoin or what? I think it's an altcoin, right? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna check just 5 altcoins today. Why? Because many altcoins actually they are bouncing, yes, but I'm sure they are testing the MA55. And also I record another video. I'm going to upload after this live stream where I did some technical analysis for some coins, AVAX, Axie Infinite, Solana, Ethereum, so maybe around 10 altcoins, and mostly all of them they are testing the MA55 right now. So if you are trading right now altcoins to the moon, be careful. Okay, so let's talk about something else. The Bitcoin dominance. I want to show you the Bitcoin dominance because actually it's very interesting right now. Where is the Bitcoin dominance? Let me see. I don't know what happened with Bitcoin dominance. Let me be here. Okay, Bitcoin dominance in weekly chart. Bitcoin is testing the bottom of the range, as you can see here, and we have bullish divergences finally in squeeze and also an OBB. You see? So how can I say this? The volatility is still very, very high. Maybe 1 month or two, if you see this volatility decreasing, like getting blue, getting like the color is changing to green, be ready, because this is gonna pop up very hard, something like this next year. Next year is gonna happen. It depends on the trend. If Bitcoin is to the upside, I mean it's an uptrend, a very good uptrend, the top 10, top 20 altcoins in USDT pairs, they will follow Bitcoin with the price. But if Bitcoin is in downtrend, be ready, because if Bitcoin is doing this in a downtrend like 2017, 2018, well, be ready and be happy, because we are gonna have the opportunity to buy very cheap, as I said 2 or 3 months before. I will. Sorry about short for Luna. No. Please stay away. Don't think about shorts right now. This is bullish. Look at this. Weekly chart is bullish. How you can short this? No, wait. This is bullish. Even 1 day chart. I was checking this, and there is no better. Well, potentially yes, but you have to wait maybe 1 week. Wait for all the weekend, and you want to see maybe potentially sideways here around $100. And if you see the signal in here in the bearish range in 1 day chart, maybe yes, potentially it's a very good short. But be careful. Why? Because Luna is in uptrend, as you can see here. Every time when it says in MA55, a buy, 55, a buy. In this case, MA55 again, buy, and here again. You must respect the trend. And in general, I really don't short. I don't fight the trend. The trend in this case is your friend. Now, if you are trading 4 hour, instead of looking for shorts, I will start looking for pullbacks and just buy the bounce and just trade the bounce. For example, here in 4 hour chart, we have better divergence, of course. Yes. If you want to trade a short, I mean, you can do it. I don't recommend you to do it because it's an uptrend. But I will say the next pullback, maybe maximum MA55 around 86, 85, and from there, again. Again, you see? In one moment you will fail, of course. Why? Because finally the price is going to reverse. But as you can see here, even in 4 hour, testing, it's the same setup as Bitcoin in 1 day chart I'm looking for right now. Breaking the MA55 very strong, testing, and after that, well, uptrend. So I will say even in weekly chart, Luna is still looking powerful, very powerful actually. Yes, there is no bear divergences in Luna. I am not expecting a short-term a reversal. Look at it, even OBB is still very healthy. I don't know the news about this. I have no idea what is happening with this coin, but it's actually, for me now, is the strongest one right now. Even AVAX is not looking that great. Let me show you AVAX here. This is not looking great. I mean, this is looking more like maybe just sideways in macro time frames of 77, and actually very big macro, very big range in weekly chart. Let me see here, 1 day chart. Yeah, this is the setup I am telling you for Luna. After 2 or 3 days, you see Luna in this case doing a range like this, and finally we will have the confirmation for AVAX. This is a very nice setup for a short. Look at this, but you have to wait for the right moment. Here, let me see. No, actually there is not a bear divergence here. Sorry, my mistake. No, I was thinking, no, sorry, this is not a bear divergence here, just a pullback around here, a pullback here, and after that maybe, yes, just follow the trend. This is not a bear divergence. Why? The reason for this is because this high is higher, you see, so no. Let me see there. Okay, I'm gonna finish soon because I'm going to blow the video. Okay, yeah. Okay. No, why you wanna short that? This one? No, this coin is going to. Well, I don't know exactly. I don't know anything about this coin. I don't follow news. I don't care, honestly. But look at this. The OBB is very healthy, and this is the thing like I would like to see for Bitcoin. As you can see, even the squeeze is not testing the zero line, and this one is breaking the previous high. You see, well, this one in the body candle right here, as you can see here. So as long as you have this setup, you cannot short, and also the ADX is still positive, so that means this momentum is not finished. You need to wait for this one to do something like this, the better divergences here, maybe after 1 week, and after when you see the ADX and get a thin slope and this, maybe potentially you can start thinking to short, but not now. And also, as I said, the trend is your friend, and this is the uptrend. This is uptrend for this coin. I will not short. I wouldn't short this coin. Let me see weekly chart. No. Okay, massive divergences forming, yes, in weekly chart, but you have to wait maybe 1 month here. You see, something like this. So I will say just careful with that kind of coins. Okay. In my case, as I said, there are some coins, few coins they are following. They are very strong. I don't know what is happening, but for example, Solana is in the right moment to start shorting in 1 day chart. In my personal opinion, for example, here is testing the MA55 exactly like Bitcoin, as you can see here. And after that, what, sideways? If Solana doesn't break, it's not breaking 190, well, you will see the continuation to the downside in 1 day time frame, as you can see here. Exactly the same thing as Bitcoin. You see, look at this, the volume is almost nothing here, nothing here, and we have potentially better divergences in this point and this point. In the moment when you see the squeeze doing this, well, you will see Solana getting rejected from the MA55. And actually, this is the scenario I'm looking for Bitcoin, this one. Okay, guys, I'm sorry I have to go, but I'm going to upload the video and where I do my technical analysis for Bitcoin, all the time frames, and also around 10 altcoins, and you can watch the video. Okay. Well, thank you for watching, and see you next